Hi everyone, my name's Roland Dupre and we're at East Hartford Public Library and I want to show you something today. It's a toy theater. We call it a toy theater from the 19th century toy theater tradition, and it can also be a paper theater because it's all out of paper. I'm going to put this on top of something so you can see both me and the theater. And as I come closer to the camera, you can see that, if I can point this out to you, this here is all water. It's all water with maybe there's an island up here, but it's all water throughout, all around the proscenium. This is what we call the proscenium, this opening here. And back here is the backdrop, and you can see that it's kind of a Asian style backdrop. It's actually a page from a coloring book. But anyway, I did it as a backdrop. Now, why would this be all water and this be mountains and gardens and trees and stuff? Is because what I'm picturing is that this here is the part of the Dragon King's palace. The Dragon King is part of a Japanese folk tale. So, to establish that we're underwater, I've made these fish, and they can travel around the proscenium like this. And I have different sizes and styles of fish. Here's one. It's a shark. And of course, you know, they can come up above and below. So that's one idea that you can play with one of these. I want to show you another toy theater style performance. In these performances, you can have you're in full view of the audience and you're telling the story as you're manipulating the puppets. So this is another stage, another toy theater, and it's got a different kind of decoration on it here. You can see this almost looks like curtains, but then it's decorated. And inside there are these different types of backdrops that you can play with. You can have your own, or you can make your own. Like I've done here, I've made my own little coral reef right here. But what I'm going to do is start with the jungle. Let's start with the jungle. And what's in the jungle? Tiger. Tiger comes into the jungle. And it's prowling, looking for something to eat. Oh, where is something to eat? Oh, it's so hungry. Tiger is hungry. There's also a horse that comes into the jungle. Do you think the horse is going to meet the tiger? He could, couldn't he? He could meet the tiger. Let's see. Ah! Oh, yay! What happens next? Do you know? Maybe you can write what happens down and make a play. And that's what the great thing about toy theater is you can make your own plays.